As an adult, navigating the financial landscape can be a really difficult task, especially with the rising cost of living. And I think there can be a stigma attached to having those types of conversations. So I've looked after the bank's relationship with West Granton Housing Cooperative for around about a year.
West Granton Housing Co-op is very similar to a housing association, except that all the tenants are members. So they have a say in how the co-op is run, what services it provides, and they have a say in the neighbourhood in which they live. It was Jamie who actually proposed the idea of the foundation workshops to us.
Hello, lovely to see everybody today.
Financial Foundations is the bank's financial wellbeing programme of free and impartial money guidance workshops designed to help adults take control of their finances.
Gary and I deliver financial foundation workshops. We tend to be in the local community a lot, meeting different people, different walks of life, an opportunity to educate the public and the community on how to keep themselves safe and secure.
And times are hard for everybody, they're now everywhere. I've seen it firsthand with my own family, the struggles from neighbours and friends. Like I didn't like talking about my money because recently I had to become a carer, and so you have to apply for benefits.
It's really important to get the financial wellbeing element of it. We have conversations about if you've got money worries or you've got worries around money, then it really impacts your mental health, and then everything else manifests on the back of that. Victoria, hello.
Financial Foundations for me was really helpful. It was a way to manage my money by budgeting, seeking support networks that help you being a single parent and where the money's best spent, or organisations that can help with the essentials.
The session was really nice. It was nice to be with people who are in the same boat and struggling and no feel embarrassed. They make it really easy for you to understand that, and I would definitely be going back because the more you see, the more you learn.
Well, thank you very much.
The sessions align very much with our core values, but when you start delivering things in person to people, I think that's where you're really touching and making a difference.
Tenants may not be the Royal Bank of Scotland customers, but they've still benefited from insights, ideas and tips free of charge in those workshops. So what they've done for our community is immeasurable, really.